smile. What is your name? What is your name? What, baby? Ano pangalan mo? What's your name?
Ezekiel.
Ezekiel. How old are you, Ezekiel? 4 years old. Okay, face on your right, like this. Follow me. And smile. Okay, face on the other side. Smile. Okay, face front. Marunong ka ba mag-sing? You know how to sing? Or what are you going to sing? Anong ang kakantahin mo? O, sige. Ano bang kakantahin mo? O, sige, acting ka na lang, ha? Okay, pag sinabi kong action, kunwari, eat mo yung hamburger, ha? Sabihin mo, ang sarap-sarap. Ikaw nga, action. Sarap-sarap. O, isa pa nga, ulitin mo pa nga. Okay, smile.